wind. We are in Coral Pink Sand Dunes State Park. If you've seen some of my other recent videos, you're probably sensing a trend here. I bought a state park pass this year, and so I'm trying to just visit all of them. I actually don't think I'm gonna get to all of them this year because there's a lot of them in Utah, but this is one that I've really wanted to come to. So we got here and we snagged one of the last campsites. I think there's one more available. So it's not like the best site because there are like a lot of other people around, but it's just so nice to have the convenience of being able to set up camp here and cook and eat and then just go play in the sand dunes right over that hill. Woohoo! Oh man, this is crazy. I have a sandboard here, as you can see. I have never used a sandboard before. I am so excited. I got some wax. I know how to snowboard, so I'm not gonna say that this is gonna be easy, those famous last words, because then I definitely will fall. But I think I have a good handle on at least the movement and what it's gonna be like. So I'm so excited to do this. I think we're gonna go all the way to that big dune back there, which is a lot further than it looks, I think. I gotta ride down something. Getting close. Hopefully this isn't too steep. The closer we're getting, the more nervous I'm getting. Whoa, this is some weird rock. Upon arrival at this massive sand dune, I have decided that this is way beyond my abilities. This is straight up almost vertical. So I think I'm gonna go over this hump and start on that end. I'm already sweating and I haven't even hiked up the hill yet. Oh, sand in my face. I am leveling it up with the sandboard on this trip. Last time we did some sort of like sand thing, we were in White Sands National Park, and that place is so cool. And we rented a little sled and we just like sled down the hills. So this is taking it to a whole nother level today. That is a short but steep climb. I'm so out of breath. I got to the top, and as you can see, I could sled down this side as well. I actually think this looks better, but I'm gonna start with this side because it's a little bit less intimidating. But this is the ridge. It's so hard to tell in the video, but like it's just basically a drop off on both sides. I'd be lying if I said I was not a little bit nervous, just because I don't know how fast this is gonna go. It could be really anticlimactic and just like slowly coast down the hill. Or I could just take off like Chevy Chase in Chevy Chase's Christmas Vacation. We watch that movie every year, and there's a sledding scene where he like waxes up his board and then he flies down the hill. And whenever I'm doing stuff like this, I always think of that scene. So hopefully that's not my fate. Okay, here we go. It's time to strap in. That is Nick down there, by the way. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Ah! Wow. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Oh. Oh. You would think this is soft, but it's not. I'm really glad I started on the kiddie hill. Look at me go! That was embarrassing. On first try, that was definitely not what I was expecting. It didn't glide as fast as I thought it would, but that almost made it harder because then I was like, couldn't really control it very well. I'm gonna try it again because that was not good. So try number 2. I got some speed on that one. Coming for you. Okay, I think I've mastered the kiddie hill. If what you just saw is not mastery, I don't know what is. I'm ready for the other side of the hill. Okay, it's so deceiving. Like hiking in sand. Going down the steep side. I actually am really nervous now. I can't even get up on these things. I'm like terrified. This is so steep. Too steep. I regret my decision. I'm exhausted. I think it's gonna be my last one for at least right now. And I think I'm getting the hang of it, so fingers crossed. I do not want to hike back up this again. All right, I think this is a better approach. Oh yeah. Oh! I did it! I'm like at the point where I'm just trying to like get my arms involved and then pull myself. Okay, I'm worn out. I'm tired. What would you rate that last run?
6.
Out of 10?
You didn't do any tricks.
Yeah, but I made it down in one swoop.
6.5.
I can't even get a 7.
7.
Yeah! We are making a little snack. So I have some carrots and hummus here, and then I'm going to make this cheesy garlic bread. This is a garlic butter that I made at home. I've actually been softening it on the hood of the car. And then I have a nice loaf of bread, some parsley, and mozzarella cheese. And so I'm gonna, make this in the Dutch oven. It's gonna be cheesy, garlicky, so delicious. So a little snack. Over here, the briquettes are going. This is the cheesy garlic bread ready for some heat. And melt all that cheese. I got the garlic butter in there. It's gonna be so good.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you. You don't even notice. Should've told you straight away. You don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance. And the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you.
Look at these little tracks. It's my hand. It is a very cold morning here. Everyone at the campground is just bailing. There's so many cars leaving. But we're gonna go sledding for a few minutes here. Got some coffee and I traded in the board for a sled because it just was not easy. And I just want a sled, you know? So we're gonna go do that and then hit the road to Arizona. I think this is a bad idea. It's a terrible idea. This is such a bad idea. Oh my god! Oh my god! We really got some speed on that one.
Really did.
I got so much sand up my jacket. Oh man. The only part that's not sandy is where our butts were. Whew, took on a lot of sand on that one. This is so cool when you stumble upon, you have this like leaf or branch and the wind blows it and it creates these really cool patterns in the sand. That one little branch, the wind blows it from here all the way up to here, creating this really cool arc of patterns and details in the sand. Love it. This is Arizona. We are here. We spent most of today just finishing out the road trip and then we'll be meeting up with Nick's family tomorrow. So this is going to be our beautiful home for the night. I'm so excited. It's definitely quite a bit colder than I was hoping for Arizona, but we're still gonna have a really relaxing evening here at camp and cook some good food, of course. For dinner tonight, we are going to make pie iron pizzas. I have pizza dough here, pizza sauce, pepperoni, cheese, a little olive oil. Start with 2 little squares of dough. Then I layered in the sauce, the cheese, and I put a little pepperoni on this one. And now I'm gonna put this piece on top and crimp the edges with the fork. This is the before. This thing is fresh out of the pie iron. Look at this. Oozing cheese, pepperoni, so good. We got a little sunshine to end the day. So good, so happy. We're in the tent and we brought this game called Blockus, which I don't know if it's really a great camping game because there's a lot of little pieces here, but we're gonna play. I'm gonna be the blue and the yellow, and Nick's gonna be the red and the green. It's a very simple game. It's just one rule, and we'll see who's gonna win. This is what the board looks like when it's done. I guess Nick won because I said I couldn't find anything else, but I did have another move up here. So now I have less points, but he kind of helped me at the end. So I guess Nick won. Woohoo! Until next time.